Stop YouTube from auto-playing videos in your feed. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android device. The steps are basically the same on both devices. Once the app is open, make sure you're signed into your account. After that, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. This will open the YouTube settings menu where you can customize different features. Next, scroll down a little until you find Playback. Tap on it. Inside this section, look for the option called Playback in Feeds. For many people, this option is usually set to Always On, which is why videos start playing automatically while scrolling through the app. Tap on Playback in Feeds, then simply change the setting to Off. And that's it. Now when you scroll through YouTube, videos will no longer autoplay automatically. You'll only see the thumbnail until you decide to tap on a video yourself. This not only saves battery and data, but it also makes browsing YouTube feel much cleaner and less distracting. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.